Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover imei number after flashing on phone. Firstly, above we've mentioned some universal and pre-flashing methods. For instance, dial in *#06# and checking the settings are some of the most useful pre-flashing approaches while checking the SIM packaging. Now, after finding the number, it's high time to replace it. Here, we'll look at how to do it through the engineering menu, a hidden Android menu that gives access to hardware information and setting modifications like registering imei information, camera customization, etc. There are two approaches. You can download the specific engineering mode app or input a code tailor-made. Or you can open the calling app on Samsung, enter *#0011#, tap the three dots, and then click Key Input. Enter Q0 in the mini pop-up window and open the calling app, then enter star and hashtag 4 times 7378423. While in engineering mode, scroll through the navigation bar and click on Connectivity, information about CDS, radio information. At the @+ line, you can input your new imei number. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.